Anxiety wants to control your mind. Jesus came to set you free. Prince of Peace, anxiety has become a plague in our generation. Our minds spin with what-ifs, worst-case scenarios, and fears that keep us awake long into the night. But your word says you give us a spirit of power, love, and a sound mind. So today, we cast every anxious thought at your feet. We refuse to let fear write our future. Jesus, enter the anxious spaces in our hearts. Calm racing pulses. Soothe restless minds. Replace panic with peace. We declare that no diagnosis, bank balance, or breaking news will control our joy or steal our trust in you. Help us speak your truth louder than our feelings. Teach us to breathe in faith and exhale fear. And let your perfect love drive out every tormenting thought. Scripture: cast all your anxiety on Him, because He cares for you. Write peace in the comments if you're choosing trust over anxiety today. If this prayer's blessed you, share them so someone else can find hope. Subscribe and join us daily as we stand together in faith, believing Jesus is still the answer, no matter what we face. Let's keep praying, keep trusting, and keep shining His light in this world.